Hi. Today we're going to tell you about utilizing great marketing content with PPC. Home Care Marketing Guide. If you are not able to focus on building your online presence, now is the time to do so. Below, we discuss how you can employ great marketing content with PPC for your home care agency. Let's get started. Employing PPC marketing strategies. When it comes to using pay-per-click, PPC, home care marketing strategies, such as Google Ads and social media ad placements, you need to use both timing and quality content to achieve great results. If you still doubt the impact that PPC ads add to improve your home care agency's online presence, here are 3 advantages that they can reinvigorate your digital marketing campaigns. Pay for what your budget can afford. The downside of relying on organic search engine optimization (SEO) strategies alone is that it takes a long time to build up your search engine rankings, especially if you don't have an established audience. For instance, your one well-made blog post will have to compete with 10 million other content pieces around the net through organic methods. Because of this, you need to use PPC ads to give your target demographic a convincing push in the right direction. Improve customer bias through search listing visibility. When it comes to promoting your home care business, how you present yourself is an essential contributor to how your clients perceive you. Having listings on the same ad page increases your click-through rates, CTRs, by allowing online viewers to develop a selective bias on your service. Increase conversion through compelling copy. Make sure that your landing pages offer reliable and relevant information based on your ad's copy. You should promote the credibility of your home care business by including testimonial, reviews, and related resources. Doing so will help them decide on whether they should seek your service. Hope you found the information useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our videos with other great Google marketing solutions for your business. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.